Hello friends, welcome to the first video of complete guide to Windows 10. In this video I will show you how to download genuine and latest version of Windows 10 for free. Watch the video till end so you don't miss anything. So let's start the video. First of all, open any browser, then search the link shown on the screen, or you can directly open it from description box. From here you can download the media creation tool which lets you download Windows 10. You can also read this to get sure about the requirements for the installation of Windows 10 or to create a bootable image. Click on Download tool now. After the download is finished, open the media creation tool. Click on Accept. If you want to upgrade your PC from any Windows to Windows 10, then you have to choose Upgrade this PC now. And if you want to download Windows 10, then you have to choose the second option. Here you can use the recommended option, or you can untick the box and select your own. Select the architecture you want to download. Click on Next to continue. Select any one of the options and click Next. If you select ISO file, then specify the location where you want to download. After the download is finished, you can use the ISO file to install Windows. Now I will show you if the downloaded ISO file of Windows 10 is genuine or not. I have two files of Windows 10. First is downloaded using media creation tool and the other is downloaded from other website. Verifying the ISO file downloaded using media creation tool. It shows genuine. Now verifying the ISO file downloaded from other website. It shows not genuine. In the next video, I will show you how to make a bootable pen drive from the downloaded ISO file of Windows 10. Thank you for watching the video.